Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com, and what is happening here with this market continuing to go higher and higher? Can't stop it, and I don't want you to fight it. Always follow the price action. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose, and talk to your broker. Understand the risks involved with trading. So what we have here on the TradeScalper is this great opportunity. The conditions are, I would say, kind of normal to slow if you realize that 3 ticks, 4 ticks here, even about 8 ticks on the ATR in a 1-minute chart. Here, this basically tells me the conditions that we're in: slow, fast, too slow to trade. Those of you who want to understand more about it, you can watch some of the videos I have out there. But really, we are in a normal market condition. If you look back a couple years ago, this is normal on a 1-minute chart, what you're seeing. So we want to take advantage of plenty of trades, pick and choose the trades. The risk is small because the ATR is low here. When the ATR is high, let's say it's closer to 4 or 5 points on the Emini SP, which is 20 ticks, it becomes riskier, more volatile, less opportunities, but also bigger profit targets. But here we have smaller targets multiple times throughout the day. So 40.59 was the latest signal. 40.52 quarter. I'm not sure if you're able to get this one because it happened kind of quick to go long. 40.50 and 48.75 definitely. 46.75, and this here right at the beginning of the day at 40.39.50. Another opportunity. I'm not big on trading right as the market opens, but this is right as the market opens. And here we are, right over here as we speak. Now, what about adding the Atlas line? Does the Atlas line also give me long opportunities? Well, let's take a look. So if I add here the Atlas line, remember I'm just using a 1-minute chart, but you can obviously use a 5-minute chart, a range chart. I'll show you that as well. So here is on the Atlas line a long signal, which is right here, followed by all of the pullback trades, pullback trades, pullback trades. Also, these are P's or pullback on the Atlas line. So the Atlas line is also indicating long, which is really good. I like to see multiple things indicating long or short in our direction instead of everything conflicting. So what about using a range chart? Now, a range chart, as you know, I like range charts when the market is slow to normal. And so here we have the range chart, I'm sorry, this is a 2-minute chart, my mistake. This is a 2-minute chart. I meant to do a range chart. A range chart here, as you can see, doesn't utilize the ATR. It utilizes instead the price action of the candles to signify the signals. Signals are a little different on a range chart, but as long as the market is slow and not overly volatile, you have an opportunity to get in and get out normally. But when the market is crazy and very fast, I would not recommend the range chart because you just can't get in. It's just too fast. Those of you who are a little bit more experienced traders that have experienced other different types of charts understand this. And so the latest signal was 40.58.50 on the range chart. And we'll see. Maybe there's another signal here that we're going to have also long. And if the market starts to go down and down and down, again, using the TradeScalper method, you can go long or short. It doesn't matter the direction as long as the trade doesn't really conflict with anything else that you may be doing or any other type of filters that you have. So you don't have to take every single signal. Pick and choose the signals that make the most amount of sense with less risk, obviously. Now, this is the range chart. What about if I added a 5-minute chart? A 5-minute chart. Here is a 5-minute chart. As soon as the day began here at about 9:30 New York time, again, you see the signals here to go long. There are no short signals. Now, let me go back to a 1-minute chart. Here, let's see if we may have an opportunity here to go long. Remember, I'm really focusing on long trades because
if you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.